Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm going to be showing you around this fantastic Toyota RAV4 CVT 4-wheel drive. Now this vehicle is a Motormatch approved vehicle and so comes with 30 days or a 1,000-mile warranty. If this car does interest you at any point throughout the video, then please feel free to give us a call on 01244 311 404. Now getting straight into the video here, this is a 2020 plate and it comes with a low 13,272 miles on the clock from only one previous owner. Now taking a look down at the side here, we'll move down and take a look at your alloys. We have the 18-inch 5-spoke silver finished alloys, looking very smart there with this gorgeous blue paintwork finish. You can also see there you've got the lovely hybrid there, which as this is a petrol hybrid, so it does come with a very good fuel efficiency. Now moving around into the back, we'll take a quick look in here as well. You can see your lovely full leather upholstery here. You do also have ISOFIX mounting points on the two outer rear seats there, so you can strap your little one's car seats in nice and safely. Lovely armrest there as well as your cup holder space, and you do actually have two USB charging ports at the bottom there, so you can charge up your devices nice and easily. Now moving around to the back, we've got this lovely boot here. You can see the Toyota logo with that blue, just showing that it is a hybrid. And if we push the button there, you can see that it does open automatically like so, which is great if you do have your hands free. So you can open the button via there, or you can use the button on your key fob. Now you can see there you do get the JBL speakers in this as well, offering great sound quality throughout the car. Taking a look at the rest of the boot here, you can see a bit of storage space there. You do get the two front RAV4 carpets as well, the original ones that came with it. And then you can see you can actually close the boot with the button just above, or again via the smart key fob. Now moving into the front here, we'll take a quick look inside. You're able to see we've got this lovely interior here. You've got your full leather wrapped steering wheel, chrome trims along the door there, and again these lovely full leather seats. You'll also be able to see at the top there a lovely sunroof, but we'll take a look at that in more detail in just a moment. And the seats here themselves are electrically adjustable with the adjustable lumbar support as well, and you'll see they do come with memory function. So inside now on your door to the right here, we've got your 4 electric windows as well as all your locking controls, and you do have the power folding door mirrors as well. Just above that, I've got that memory seating I mentioned, so you press the set button and then set the seat position to 1 or 2, which is great if you have multiple drivers on the car. You also have a heated windscreen there as well as your heated steering wheel for those colder winter months. You've got your trip settings on the steering wheel there as well as the navigation for your little cockpit dash just here. You can see we can actually flick through the different things. You can see how economical your car is, things as your miles per gallon, as well as adjusting the radio station as well. Now over to your lovely media system just here. We've got all your apps and settings just in this tab there. Starting off with the destination, this will actually take you to the maps and you just input it simply like so by tapping on that search there, and you just type in the postcode or the city, wherever you want to go, and it will help you get there a little bit easier. You can actually just go straight to the map as well for a lovely clear screen of the map. If we go back to the apps again, we've got audio here, so this is all your multimedia systems. So you've got AM, FM and DAB radio as well as USB import, Bluetooth, and you can even use the Miracast system. You've got your station list just here for the DAB, which offers stations from all across the country, so you'll never be lost for music when you're on here. You can actually tune the radio with that right knob there as well. Now opening up the phone here, you do have the Bluetooth connectivity, so you can actually connect your phone to the system and take hands-free calls on the go, which is great. Doesn't mean you have to pull over and take the call, you can just take it while you're on the go. You've also got all your apps here with the mirror link there, so when you do connect your phone via USB, you can actually use some of your phone's applications, things such as the maps if you prefer your phone's one, or things such as Spotify. Now into the info here, we can actually check the energy monitor of the car and see things such as how far your battery is off being depleted or whether it's still full. And we can then also go into all your settings here so you can fully customize this car to your liking. Now if we pop this into reverse as well, you'll see we've got this full camera system all around the vehicle here, so you've got a clear view of all around as well as that crystal clear camera on the back there, so you can actually guide yourself into any parking spaces. You've also got the 180-degree view, and you can actually switch it just to the main view of the back there. You've got those lovely guidelines as well, helping you line up the parking space nice and properly and avoiding any kind of damage to other vehicles or your own. Moving down now, you've got your dual zone climate control here. Lovely little system which allows you to adjust both sides of the vehicle individually, which is great if you and your passenger prefer different temperatures. You can now each have your own different settings. Fan speed in the middle there, as well as your front and rear heated windscreens, and you can change the airflow with this button just there. Now below this you do also have the heated seats. You can have it on the high functionality or the low one, and that's for both your driver and passenger. Again, another feature excellent for those colder winter months. USB port just there, as well as a 12-volt adapter and a nice bit of storage space to plug your phone in and pop it away. And then you've got your simple gear stick here with a button on the back to slide into the different gears. You also have different driving modes as well, which will actually change the cockpit dash. As you can see here, it changes from the green to the red, and then the normal is the white one just there. Moving a bit further back now, we've got your lovely cup holders just there, and some more storage space in here with 2 USB ports there for charging capabilities. You're going to charge your phone and then pop it out of the way. Now, part of one of the packages in this car, which is the premium pack, which did cost the original owner an additional £1,645, is this lovely power tilt sunroof. Great feature for the summer or even the winter, so you can see the snow falling on the roof. And if you would rather have that shut, if you want to prevent any kind of sun glare on the media system or on the actual window itself, you can close it with this lovely power blind. So this concludes our tour around the Toyota RAV4 CVT 4-wheel drive. Now this car comes with our motor match promise, including 30 days or a 1,000-mile warranty, along with flexible finance packages available. RAC extended warranties of up to 3 years are also available on all motor match vehicles, are subject to an £150 administration fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to arrange a test drive, call us now on 01244 311 404. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Goodbye for now.